So you know how sometimes you're just sitting around and you're scrolling and you're scrolling and you're hearting and you're liking over on Instagram, and you realize, you know, the last 3 things that I hearted were all from one place. Well, this happened to me, and that place was Cocoa Daisy. Cocoa Daisy is a sticker subscription service who offers monthly planner and sticker kits. And so I reached out to Cocoa Daisy and I asked them if they could send me some stickers to try and to share with you on the planner channel, and they said yes. So in this video, we are going to decorate this week's Happy Planner spread with stickers from Cocoa Daisy. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. All right, so let's get started with opening the stickers. So this is the Daisy add-on sticker kit. So this has 4 sheets of stickers that you can add on to your monthly subscription. It has letters, shapes, and 2 decorative stickers, some on white paper, some clear. Let's see what's in the other kit. This is the classic planner sticker kit. Let's see, let me move this one over. So this kit has decorative clear stickers, boxes, more boxes, boxes that are checklists, decorative and functional stickers, and some functional and washi tape strips. Awesome. How many pages is that? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's see what's in here. Here's a little card for Peach Ridge with the story on the back. So it has your like divider page and then a whole month of planning. So you can do whatever you want. That is so cool. So you can make your own planner for a month. Oh my gosh, these are cool. Okay, so you can plan your week with this, and then it has your to-do list, and it's perforated so you can fold it or tear it out. I love this paint splatter. Look at that up close. Can you see it? Okay, so for today, we're gonna decorate in the Happy Planner. Let's do like a special project with that. So I'll save that for another video. Okay, let's get started with washi tape. I'm gonna start right on the top with this classic planner sticker kit. There are some washi strips, and these are clear, and they're these little peaches. They're so cute. So we're gonna start with those. And this theme specifically so makes me think of home. It reminds me of my parents because my dad restored antique cars, and my mom literally has a peach tree on the farm, and it totally makes me think of them and think of home. So I love this home sticker. Home is not a place, it's a feeling. That's gonna be our little theme for this week. Leave a comment down below and tell me what kind of sticker theme reminds you of home. So let's add these little peaches on both days. We might use 2 washi designs just because the 2 different ones go good together. I'm gonna grab this little edge. We'll put some peaches right there. Box sticker, so let's choose a couple of designs from here. I know I love the peaches and all the ones with the little trucks in them. So let's grab the peach ones. Maybe some floral, or maybe this pattern. Like we'll pick a couple different ones. They're so cute. So since we did a peach box on the right page, let's do a peach box on the left page too. Do one at the top up here. I really like this pattern. Let's do that one. And then maybe the one with the truck. Or that one. Everything is peachy. I love that. Yeah, maybe that. Ooh, I like that too. And I love this. I gotta use this one. Everything is peachy. That's adorable. Okay, these little clipboard checklist boxes, love. These are super cute. definitely need these. I think let's put this green one layered on the peaches here, pattern here. I love those layers like that. And let's layer one more. Let's go ahead and put this one with the yellow pattern and the little truck on this peach background on this side. I'm gonna go back and add some more washi because I saw these little tiny washi strips, and I think it'll be really cool to have just a little like outline of our washi here with the two patterns together. I love that. Let's grab the stripe off of this page here and trim it. Next up, checklists and bullet points. Look at these pretty colors. This is such a pretty color palette. Let's start with this blue one and put it here in between Tuesday and Wednesday so we can use it on both days. Header at the top. Let's put a little to-do sticker there. Let's use this yellowish one for this page for Thursday and Friday. And a matching banner. You don't have to match your banners, obviously, but I like to match. Usually I like to match. So let's do matching there. I really like these little bullet point flags, so let's grab those. Oh, maybe they'll go this way. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay, let's do that. Let's do one and blue. Or mint? I guess it's mint. Oh wait, this one has a flag and these have little arrows. You know what? I'm gonna switch that out because I want the little arrows instead. Look how cute. All right, I definitely know that I want this sticker, so let's grab this one first and figure out where it's going. It could go here, or in the corner. I kind of like it in this corner, or on the side. Ooh, I kind of like it there. That's perfect. It does fit in the boxes too, though. All right, now I want to grab these from the add-on sticker kit, and we're gonna like decorate the middle. Let's put like a crate on this side. Maybe like that. And let's add a couple of peaches from the classic planner sticker kit. Actually, let's grab one of these little ones also. Oh, I actually like it right here. So we've got peaches here, peaches here. We've got the little truck there. Let's put a little truck on this side too. Like that. A little bit of country is good for your soul. Let's grab that and put it next to the truck over here. It's our final summer adventure because school starts back on the 10th. So let's put this on Monday the 9th before school starts. Let's grab a weekend banner. I really like these. Okay, I feel like I want to add a peach to the top of my to-do list, so I'm gonna add one here. Peach there, and a peach here. All right, I like these and we can definitely use some of them. Sometimes we get barbecue for dinner on Friday nights, so let's put barbecue here, just so I have that little reminder to pick it up on Friday. And then I do have an appointment on the 10th, so let's put that here so I can remember it. A good place to put these. So let's put barbecue, family time. Gotta remember that. All right, I'm gonna put some letters on Sunday because Sunday needs a little something. Ooh, I like it with this one. So we'll grab this box, maybe at the bottom or up here. There's already a lot of stuff up here, so I kind of want to put it at the bottom. There's our box. Let's add our letters. Like that. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, I found this little arrow with that yellow print. I love that. That's gonna be perfect to put here. Plan. Remember to plan. Oh, look, there's this little sticker that says today's word. So today's word is plan. All right, I think we've got everything I want on this week. So let's put the pages on the discs and see how it looks. I will link up Cocoa Daisy's website so that you can get all of the details on the sticker subscription kits directly from them. I'll also link their Instagram so that you can also heart those pictures on your scroll too. If you enjoyed these Cocoa Daisy stickers as much as I did, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!